In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Manychat Klaviyo integration. This integration will enable your Manychat and Klaviyo platforms to sync seamlessly, allowing you to automate and personalize your marketing efforts more effectively. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure everything is set up perfectly. First, you want to begin by logging into your Manychat account. Make sure you have the right credentials handy, as you'll need to access the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already comfortable navigating it. Next, navigate over to the Settings option located in the left menu of your Manychat dashboard. Clicking on Settings will provide you with a host of options. We're specifically interested in the Integrations tab, so go ahead and select that. Within the Integrations menu, you'll see a list of available services you can connect with Manychat. Your task here is to locate Klaviyo from this list. It should be relatively straightforward to find, but if you're having trouble, you can use the search functionality to narrow it down. Once you find Klaviyo, click on it. This is where you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. If you haven't used Klaviyo before, ensure you've created an account and have your login details ready. Upon logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Klaviyo dashboard and click on your account settings. From there, navigate to the API keys section. This is a crucial step because you're going to create the key that connects Klaviyo with Manychat. Within the API key settings, you'll see an option to create a new private API key. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to name your new key. I recommend naming it something memorable and descriptive like Manychat integration, so you can easily identify it later. Once you've named your API key, make sure to save, and most importantly, copy this key. You'll need it for the next step, and it should be treated like a password, so handle it with care. Now, after successfully obtaining your API key, navigate back to Manychat. Here, you'll be prompted to paste the key you just copied into the appropriate field in the integration setup window. The final step to seal the deal is to click on the Connect Klaviyo account button. This action will finalize the integration process, weaving together the capabilities of Manychat and Klaviyo to enhance your marketing automation. And there you go, you've successfully integrated Klaviyo with Manychat. This connection opens up a world of opportunities for targeted communications and data-driven decision-making, significantly bolstering your marketing toolbox. If you encounter any hiccups during this setup, don't hesitate to revisit the steps or consult Manychat and Klaviyo's robust support resources. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy marketing.